Before you fly, can I ask you what it is?
Yes, you can. It's an F&W Models Libelle.
Lapel?
Libelle.
Libelle.
Libelle. The real one was made by German company Glasflugel. It's one of the very first all-composite gliders in the world. And what's special about this model is that it's the leading edge of technology as far as model aviation is concerned. Full hard carbon wing. It's very, very slim. We haven't got any spoilers on it because you can't get the spoilers in this very thin wing. It's designed for speed, but it also will thermal superbly. It's only had a couple of flights so far, but I've seen the manufacturer's prototypes fly. Just phenomenal. Inside it's got MiG Flight E-80 ducted fan unit on 8 cells, and that's what we'll be powering it today. I don't think I'll get any thermals at this time of the day, but it's quiet time, so I decided to...
Could you show me the system for the...
Yeah, I'll have to hold it, because once it goes, it will
go.
go.
It powers that? And
it powers up automatically, so make it live.
Wow, amazing. So the benefits over a turbine is you can just put it out when you want, so you regain altitude. And
I'm not a fan of turbine gliders because I'm a glider man and I'm a jet flyer, and I think the two things are probably better off separate, because as a glider flyer I don't want the turbine stuck out there. They're much more effective at bringing your glider down than a spoiler is. And if you think you need to leave a jet engine maybe a minute or a minute and a half to cool down before you can tuck it away inside, that's a long time, and by that time you'll have lost half the altitude you've gained.
Yeah.
If you leave it out in the open, it'll come down at a drag. But it's drag that brings gliders down to the ground, not gravity. Gravity is the motive force. So any drag that you've got is bad news. EDF, it's quiet, it's safe. You can use it as and when you need. You don't have to worry about restarting. So it's got everything. Right. Yeah. Guys, would you mind if I just have a slot on my old glider?
Absolutely. Brilliant. Okay. Look forward to seeing it fly. Thank you.
Well, once it's down. differential sorting out. Needs a lot more differential than that. Still needs a bit more down elevator. That's alright. It'll take a lot of flights to get it fully sorted out. These gliders always do. But we're getting there. This is only the third flight. So it's still a little bit tail heavy. Differential needs quite a bit of work yet. But look, we've actually found a little bit of lift there. Just time is a little bit loose, just a little bit too slow. Needs the CG further forward, I think. Okay, let's see. Battery warning.
I thought the dog barking was a sound effect on the transmitter for a minute.
I think I need to set the repeat off that. Sorry? Yeah, it's telling me the battery's at the point where I should really stop. Yeah.
Just have a big gulp.
Screw coming down. Definitely need to turn that repeat off.